In this video, we're going to take out some frustrations on a printer that we did not have good luck with. Uh, you'll like it. Here we go. Turn it off. That's how you do it right there.
All right, now hit it once. And one's on the other. Nope.
Oh, hell, you got it. I come on the way with the fix off. Well, there's that.
One moment. Fuck you.
Well, I went all your hard work. What happened here, James?
I shot his head off. Now that thing was rather violent.
That was my best watermelon too, James.
Don't worry, we got another one.
It's pissing.
It's afraid.
All right.
What has happened here?
Stop.
We didn't even hit it.
Well, that's a good thing. That is a good thing. So, ooh.
Did we hit the bucket?
Hit the bucket a few times. That was my best bucket.
Was.
Yep. All right.
I was definitely hitting the printer.
I don't think it'll print anymore.
You know what? That's just fine. Should have brought a battery pack over here and booted it off.
It barely fucking printed to begin with, if you'll recall.
I do recall. That's one of the reasons it needs to die.
All right.
I was aiming too high. I don't even think there's an entry wound. I think it just blew up.
Well, it entered. Ain't no doubt about that. It entered.
Want a watermelon flavored lake?
Throw it out there. Okay. Did Luke fall down?
It fell down.
This fucking printer is, dude, it's testing us, sir.
Died! It finally died!
Fuck yeah! We're done! We're done with that bastard! Luke? Here's a piece of your favorite printer.
Neighbor.
Where did the bucket go? There's another piece. You gonna put one of them in your office?
I'm thinking about it.
There's another piece. Here's pieces back here.
How much did you put in there?
I'll talk to you about that later. Oh man. Dude.
got some bullet holes in it.
There's apparently the battery hole. Look, there are the ink cartridges.
Wonder if we kept the receipt for this.
I think you voided the warranty a long time ago.
There's pieces over here.
Oh, I found a piece of the bucket.
Dude,
I thought you said it was the good bucket.
it was my best bucket. Oh, God. There's some of the bucket out there.
There's some right there.
Over there.
There.
I don't know why James did that. We're going to have to get him some counseling or something. He's got anger issues. Oh, there's printer parts in the ground. Look at this. Printer parts all down in here.
The important thing is it can't hurt us anymore.
No. I don't know. We'll probably cut our foot on it walking out of here or something. Oh, man.
Ah, I found the yellow.
Nice. Man, that was a violent reaction. $9.52. What's that? There's the. Oh, dude, there's your souvenir laying right there. Well, Mater just tore the thing up, but whatever.
Holy God, that thing survived?
Yeah.
Wonder if we could power it on.
Sure we can find somewhere. Pretty proud of that.
It was straight at one point.
Turn it off.